Hey everyone, Patricio here from Abstract. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO, and I'm joined by our awesome legislative product consultant, Kat, and really excited to showcase our product here today. Specifically, we want to show everyone how you can use Abstract to be more collaborative, both internally and externally, whether you have clients or members, and really show how we're setting the forefront for how people work with bills and regulations in California, but also set the standard as we expand to other states, and how this is going to be core for our Abstract Enterprise solution, which is more focused on analyzing the risk and opportunities that bills or regulations have on your organization. So with that, I'll hand it over to Kat to show a couple examples on how you can be more effective collaborating with other people, whether it's clients, members, or your internal staff.
All right, thank you. So with that, I'll get started. So we created this spill list here within your Abstract library. We can see here that it is set for public comment, which is a brand new feature here on Abstract that allows you to view a dynamic version of your bill list, meaning that it gets updated as new information is available that meets your search criteria. And what's awesome about public comment is that people can leave comments whether or not they have an Abstract workspace. So not only can you leave comments within your Abstract workspace with people who you work with in your organization, but also members and clients outside of your organizations can leave their thoughts on your bills and allow you to synthesize their opinions and move forward accordingly. So I'll show you here. In using the share button here, we have not only the public comment feature, we also have a shared bill list here. This is a little bit different from the public comment in that you can simply copy the link and share this with anybody outside of your Abstract workspace, and they can view this, but they can't make edits. You can toggle this back to private at any time and revoke access for everybody outside of your workspace. And then you can toggle it back to public comment, change this password here to be whatever you like, share this link and share the password with anybody, and they can then access this. I'll open up this incognito tab here to show you what this looks like in practice from somebody without an Abstract workspace. So I simply clicked this link here, and then I'll type in my password, trees, because Sacramento is the city of trees. I'll enter my name and my email, and here we go. I'm here in this view only mode. You can see here that I can see this bill list. It looks a little bit different than it would if you have an Abstract workspace, but you can still see your tags here. I can still click into my bill page here and view the status and history, view bill text, and more, even without an Abstract workspace. Go back with that password.
And what's beautiful about this is, instead of a static PDF page, you're actually able to have your clients or your members interact with this. And if you suddenly have to update a bill or add a comment, you can do so and push that update live to your clients or your members, right? So it makes it a lot more dynamic, and it really increases the value of the services that you're providing, thus making things a lot more efficient on both ends. And here you can see Kat just left, another sort of comment on the bill list here. So in this example, signed in as Pat, I don't really have an Abstract account. So this shows how people, even if they don't have an account, they can collaborate with you and you can share all that information with them.
Yeah, this is a really great way to move forward and influence legislation super easily with people outside of your organization, whether that's clients, members, stakeholders. So I'll go back to my Abstract workspace here. So I am once again an Abstract user. I'll go ahead and refresh that page so that we can see the comments that have been left. Not only can I see them here on my bill list, but I can also, from within my bill list, view the analytics. So I can see how long people were viewing my page. Were they actually reading the bill that they commented on? And I can see how many comments have been left here. Not only that, can I see it in a beautiful spreadsheet format, but I can also export this to CSV, share it with others, again, outside of my organization, upload it to Excel or whatever you like, and then synthesize information accordingly and move forward.
Yeah, and this is really key because it's the first time that we're giving people the ability to really dissect how their members or their clients are interacting with the reports they're sending and the information they're giving. So you can actually be more effective in terms of figuring out, should you be sending more reports or should you be focusing on certain types of bills or certain types of regulations over others. So that's been a super critical feature.
Yeah. Password protected, it is dynamic. People get real life updates. So as bills meet your search criteria, I'll actually show you the search criteria. Here I would go into edit settings and you can see that I have it set for the current session, bills that I've tagged for housing. This is within my housing section. It's as simple as that. And now every bill that I tag for housing, as soon as I've tagged it, it will appear in this bill list. It's, like I said, it's dynamic. So others outside of your workspace can see that as well. They get timely updates, timely deliverables. You can also export to PDF using we've created many templates here. It's completely customizable. You can decide which information you'd like reflected. You could choose to include or disinclude notes, tags, any collaborative information. You can keep it internal or allow it to be external. It's completely up to you. Here's an example of a PDF. You can see here we have our shortened summary to keep it nice and concise. We have our tags here and all of the information we need, as well as a QR code that will link others outside of your workspace to the same PDF.
Yeah, and this is really key. If you want to save time, instead of working with those messy Word documents, we have all these templates set up for you to work with directly. So that's a quick glimpse at how you can be more effective with these collaborative features on Abstract. And what's really key also is if you're trying to build a coalition and you're trying to get multiple people to support or oppose a piece of policy, these are the tools that are going to get you there faster and more effectively. So really appreciate y'all taking the time to listen to our first webinar here. And this is how we're bolstering the work of our customers, such as the city of Pico Rivera, also BizFed, the Faculty Association, and many others. And we're excited to be growing soon to other states and introducing our new enterprise product as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to check us out at abstract.us. Again, that's abstract.us, and you can request a free demo right there. So thank you again, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.